Hey, it's Angela here again, and I'm here to give you a virtual pat on the back for getting this far and completing the last module. Now, today I want to talk about what you should do when you feel really frustrated, like when you feel overwhelmed with all the things that you need to know and they all seem impossible and you're getting stuck on thing after thing and you just feel frustrated. What should you do? The first thing you should do is take a break. You've probably been staring at that piece of code for too long. And sometimes when I stare at my own name for too long, it starts looking weird. Is that really how you spell Angela? Angl, if you are not getting a moment to just let your brain think about something else, it will get stuck much easier. So take a break, sometimes sleep on it. The best solutions come to me when I think about my problem before I go to sleep, and then the next morning I wake up and I try to tackle that thing that I got stuck on yesterday. For some miraculous reason, it's as if my brain is working on it while I'm sleeping. But the next day, solutions come to me just so much easier. So take a break, let your brain rest, go and exercise, go for a jog around the block or, fast-paced walk if you're not really into jogging like I am. I try to go for a 30-minute swim at the local pool if I can. And just the sort of silence underwater when I'm swimming and just being enveloped by water somehow really helps me clear my thoughts, and it makes me feel more calm, and when I come back to my problem I just seem to be better at solving it. So don't be so hard on yourself. Don't just sit there and rip your hair out and be why can't I do this? Why is my code not working? We've all been there before, but it's not the right thing to do. Take a break, have a moment to yourself, think about something else, look at something else, and then come back to it. It's always going to be there for you. Your problems don't run away.